Hi everyone, this looks like a fun one, and we have x to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of square root of 200. So what we are trying to do in here is to make something like what we have on the left side, x to the x, two similar terms in the base and exponent, and let's see what we can do with the exponent of 2 on the right side of the equation and see if we can make something like x to the x in here. So first of all, we have square root of 200, which is 100 times 2, and we also know that 100 is 4 times 25 times 2, and we know when we have square root of a, b, c, this will be equal to square root of a times square root of b times square root of c. So basically we can take the square root of each. So here we have x to the x is equal to 2 to the power square root of 25, and we can multiply 2 and 4, so we can write it as 225 times. So actually this is that we can write it down as 8 times 25, and we have x to the x is equal to 2 to the power square root of 25. We know it's 5 times square root of 8, and from the laws of the exponent we know when we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this will be equal to a to the power of mn. So we have mn in here, so this can be actually written as 2 to the power of 5 all to the power of square root of 8. So we have 2 to the 5, which we know is 32 to the power of square root of 8. Also, we know that the square root of 8 to the power of 2 is going to give us a. So here, instead of 32, we're going to write it down as square root of 32 to the power of 2, and this will be all to the power square root of a. And here our x to the power of x will be square root of 32 all to the power of, we can multiply these two as we discussed, 2 square root of 8. And here we have square root of 32. Instead of 2, we can write it as square root of 4 times square root of 8. And here we go. We can write this down as a square root of 32 to the power of square root of 32. And now we have two terms in the base and exponent that shows that our x is square root of 32, or we can write it down as 16 times 2, which will be 4 square root of 2. So yeah, let me know if you guys have another approach to solve this one. Feel free to drop it in the comment that everybody can benefit, and you guys take care. I'll see you in the next one.